Welcome to Cozy Homes. In today's video, we're featuring a charming small house design measuring 6 by 6 meters, approximately 20 by 20 feet, inspired by a compact cabin house concept. Despite its modest size, this home is thoughtfully designed to feel warm, inviting, and incredibly functional. The exterior is dominated by natural wood materials combined with elegant black paint accents, creating a cozy yet modern cabin aesthetic. This combination brings warmth and character to the design, making it perfectly suited for a countryside setting or a peaceful mountain retreat. At the front of the house, you'll find a generously sized terrace area. This outdoor space is designed for relaxation, complete with comfortable seating and a coffee table, the perfect spot to enjoy fresh air, beautiful natural views, and quiet mornings or calm evenings surrounded by nature. Let's step inside and explore the interior. As you enter the house, you are welcomed into an open-concept living, dining, and kitchen area. This open layout plays a crucial role in making the 6 by 6 meter home feel far more spacious than its actual dimensions. By eliminating unnecessary partitions, the space feels airy, seamless, and comfortable. Interestingly, the living area introduces a slightly different concept compared to the exterior. While the outside reflects a cabin vibe, the interior embraces a modern minimalist style. The space is dominated by black and white tones, enhanced by warm white lighting that creates a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. This thoughtful combination makes the home ideal for small families or young couples seeking a stylish yet comfortable living environment. The kitchen is fully equipped and features a functional island table. Instead of using a separate dining table, the island serves as both a food preparation and dining space. This smart choice keeps the layout compact while maintaining full functionality. Moving further into the house, we arrive at a small yet practical laundry area. This space cleverly utilizes the transition zone between the kitchen and the bathroom. A generously sized window ensures proper ventilation and prevents humidity, making the area efficient despite its compact size. The master bedroom continues the modern minimalist theme, again featuring a dominant black and white color palette. The combination of materials, color selection, and warm white lighting creates a calm and comfortable retreat. Although not overly spacious, the bedroom is fully equipped with a wardrobe, a TV console, and a dressing table, providing everything the occupants need without feeling overcrowded. Despite its compact size, it is impressively complete. The bathroom includes a shower area, a wash basin set, a toilet, and even a bathtub. A large window is strategically placed beside the bathtub, allowing you to enjoy the view while soaking and welcoming natural sunlight into the space. Additional cabinets provide ample storage, ensuring the bathroom remains neat and organized. Finally, here is the overall layout of the house. As you can see, while the home is not large in size, the smart spatial planning makes it feel efficient, comfortable, and far from cramped. Every area is thoughtfully designed to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. That concludes today's house tour. We hope this design inspires and serves as a reference for those of you planning to build your dream home in a compact size. Thank you for watching, and we hope this inspires your future home journey.